Hey guys, what is up? Pablo Pips Effects here. Someone asked me if we provide free signals and if the free signal group still works. Yes, it definitely works, guys. This signal that you see me in right now, this trade was sent out in our free group this morning. And as you can see, guys, we are in just mad profits. All right, just riding out that pullback. Ultimately, gold is bullish on the higher time frame, so I am anticipating that there's going to be a significant pullback to at least 50% of that candle, before we hop out of this trade. But just look at that candle size, guys. That's crazy. But anyways, we managed to caught that pullback, razor sharp sniper entry there, guys. This is the signal group that we are a part of. We send around 3 signals there, free signals in this group daily. We provide instructions how to be profitable. This is just some of the results here from our signals group. We send out signals for both synthetic indices and Forex pairs also. All right. Also, guys, once you join the group, it's very important that you follow these steps. These steps get you set up and aligned with the members and our community so you can start profiting with us the right way. All right, some brokers differentiate between spreads and all kind of stuff, and you don't want to be caught in that rift. All right, so make sure if you're not already signed up with these brokers, use the links when you join the group below this video to get started, and just wait for our signals. All right, wait for our signals to come in. So right now we only send out one for today. Today is Thursday, October the 31st, and one signal was sent out so far in gold, and we are in massive profits for that, as you just saw in our MetaTrader there. All right, guys. So yeah, if you're searching for Forex signal providers here in Jamaica, guys, this is the place you want to be. Go on, check out our signals. Let us know how it works for you, and if you like it, you can go ahead and proceed into our VIP, where Addy himself will actually assist you in getting started. All right, so we have Addy up here, so just chauffeuring people into the group. Big up yourself, Addy. Bro, there you come out and say God and all of these things. Big up yourself. But yeah, guys, so that is the riff for the Telegram signals group. All right, remember to like this video and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, guys, and let's do this. Boom.